Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got a sweet fix for working with Camtasia 2021. So let's get cracking. Alright friends, so if you haven't checked out my setup before, I use a green screen. I have found with my lighting, which is kind of janky, I have to change the camera settings every time I launch Camtasia to get the exact results I want. Makes life faster, but with Camtasia 21, the current recorder does not have the video options settings. So my friends, here is a super quick set of steps so that you can use the legacy recorder even though you're working in Studio 2021. Alright friends, it's super simple. Launch Explorer however you want, and then in Explorer, click this PC. It's probably in your C drive. Find your program files folder, scroll down and find Techsmith. When you get to Camtasia 21, scroll down and instead of Camtasia Recorder, just simply find the legacy recorder. Now you can right click and drag to put a shortcut on your desktop. So it's right there. You can right click on that exe and you could pin it to your start. You can also pin it to your taskbar, so all of a sudden you'll have access to those settings that you need. If you've never seen the settings, friends, what I do is click on this little icon and I can choose the options and device properties, and this is how I find the optimum brightness, contrast, and white balance. And then most important, under camera control, I find I get the best results when I shut off the low light compensation. So friends, if you haven't seen the 2021 recorder, this is what it looks like. It has the button for your webcam, but you cannot change the options yet. I have talked to Camtasia support and it is in the works, it's just not available. So these simple steps will get you to your legacy recorder while you wait. So fellow recorders, I hope this helps you out, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.